Welcome to Learning with Quinn. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. So we have one pack that is a basketball one and one Chronicles pack that is a football one. And then we also went to the other store, found this Justin Jefferson Playoff LSU football card for $5. And then we're going to start off with the basketball one. So first,
put it under.
We have a season ticket Steph Curry. Then we have a season ticket Drew Holiday. Then we have a season ticket Kyle Kuzma. Then a season ticket Zion Williams. Then we have a season ticket DeAndre Ayton. Then, that's a pretty good one. Season ticket Kyrie Irving. A season ticket Scoot.
That's a hard one.
Dumbling. What is it, Mom?
I don't know how to say that name.
Whatever it is. Season ticket Jason Tatum. Season ticket Devontae Graham. Season ticket Christian Wood. Season ticket Kelly Oubre Jr. Season ticket Seth Curry. Season ticket Donovan Mitchell. Wow, that's a good one. Then we have season ticket Andre Drummond. Season ticket Jimmy Butler. Season ticket Eric Bledsoe. Then we have season ticket Colin Sexton. Then we have season ticket Devontae Sabonis. Then we have got game Darren Jackson Jr. Oh my gosh! Then we have Nets James Harden card. Then we have a international ticket Rudy Gobert.
Gobert.
And then last but certainly not least, draft class 2020 Anthony Edwards. Now we're going on to the Football Chronicles pack. We're gonna start it off strong with a John Elway, and then a DK Metcalf, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Matt Ryan, Justin Jefferson. Then we have a pretty good gold card, Jalen Reagor. Is that?
Yeah, Reagor.
And we have a Chase Claypool rookie card. Then we have a Keyshawn Vaughn. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is rare, but we have a clear card, Brandon Edwards. Then we have a Jonathan Taylor. Then we have a T. Higgins. And we have, oh my goodness, Jake Fromm. Tua Tagovailoa. Oh my gosh. And we have a Jordan Love. And then we have Antonio Gibson. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.